Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So firstly, I'm sorry for the lighting condition here because I'm shooting in a guest house presently, so I don't have much lights here to make this video brighter, but so just bear with me in that regard. So this particular video, that is how to cope up with changes in your life, is something which is really important because frankly speaking, this is the time when I myself am going through a lot of changes in my life, both in my professional as well as in the personal front. So I recently relocated to a new city. So I was staying in Hyderabad and now I moved to Bangalore, and it has already been 3 days since I'm here in this new city. So everything is new people, new team, new office location, everything is new. Of course, I have few friends here. Some of them are quite far, some of them are quite near as well. So overall, it's a very different atmosphere, environment, and a whole new setting which is completely taking place right now. So I thought this is a really good time to talk about this particular topic, that is how to cope up with changes. So many times we have to face situations when we are usually left with no option but to accept the changes and to accept the challenge and move on with life. And sometimes it might happen that when we take up the change, we don't realize, but once the change is finally here, that is when realization sinks in and we feel that, oh my god, that change is not really good for me, or I shouldn't have opted for the change, or will I be able to accept it, or will I be able to cope up with the change or not. And that is when a lot of questioning oneself and cursing oneself and not believing in yourself, doubting in yourself happens, and also a lot of restlessness and helplessness happens. So I am exactly going to talk about few of those things. Firstly, of course, all of us know that every change is like a challenge. Every change is preparing ourselves to meet our best version. So when a change is happening in your life, irrespective of whether you're liking it or disliking it, irrespective of whether that change is doing good to you or bad to you, always remember one thing, that at the end of all that struggle, at the end of all that change and challenges, is definitely a better version of you. So initially you might feel that I'm not really able to cope up with the change, or it's so struggling, it's so challenging. Always have the faith that once you look beyond this, you're going to be the best version and a much more improved version of yourself. So this is definitely some kind of a belief or faith which works in many cases, and it has been working for me since many years when I had to go through several changes, be it a new city, new culture, or a new set of friends, new team, everything. So it has really helped me. But apart from that, I would also really like to quote this very famous line which one of my relatives come teacher had told me few months back, that when you want something very badly, when you want to achieve something very badly, you send out this message out to the universe, like we have read it in the book The Secret, that is the law of attraction. So when we want something very badly, so we send that message out to the universe, and it's like a cosmic energy or a law of attraction, and then the universe will play its own game. The universe will play its own role and try and throw like obstacles, hurdles, mistakes, errors, all these changes and challenges in your path, and just to test you that, okay, so you wanted this badly, you wanted to achieve this, now that path won't be so easy. Before that, you will have to go through a lots of ups and downs, highs and lows, changes and challenges, happiness and sadness. And only if you are not running away from all of it, able to make peace with it all, and able to bring out the best version out of yourself, will you see that thing happening for you. So it's an intent you sent out to the universe, and the universe plays the game, plays its own part, and throws lots and lots of changes in your path, where you are left all alone and haywire and all in a mess. But also believe that only if you are able to go through all those hurdles will you be able to become successful, and that intent will ultimately be fulfilled. So these two quotes are something which has really helped me in overcoming not just with changes but also with lots of situations in life, be it like hectic situations or difficult situations. And over the course of time, those have really helped in shaping a lot of beliefs in me. That is, if I am in some kind of problem, I should always believe that this is all for the good. So right now I thought of making this particular video because I am myself going through a lot of changes: new city, new team, new work, new office, new building, everything is new. And of course I have people whom I know, but still overall, all in all, it's new. And everyone here is really good, really helpful. Everyone here has been really helpful till now, in fact more than what I imagined before I came here from Hyderabad. So I'm really thankful for all of that. And since this change and everything is happening so quickly and all of a sudden, so it took some time to really get all those things sink in and to finally accept that okay, you're no longer in Hyderabad. Because it has been so many times when I was talking to my friends and okay, let's meet, okay, let's plan this, yeah, next week, and then I'm like, shit, I'm not in that city anymore, I'm in a new city. So it is still taking time to sink in. But yeah, the thing is, you need to accept and move on, because maybe you will get better opportunities, maybe it is for your own good, and who knows, maybe it is just to make you meet your best version. That is it. So that will be it for this particular video. And this is one of this is my third video in the self-help or the motivational talks video, because apart from writing, publishing and all other things, what I believe is this is also very important. That is just like one-on-one talk where I can share all the things which is going on in my life, which I feel is important to talk about to all you people. Because there are many times when I feel very low and I try to derive motivation from my own self, or just seeing others how they deal with life when they are low, how they buckle up and how they get up and get on their path. So that's it. I really wanted to share all those things with you all, and that is how you need to accept every change, every challenge. You need to be thankful. Like I am right now, I'm really thankful to all the people here who has been helping me in all the stages. So wherever I'm going, like navigating, I got more than what I expected. So I didn't know that I have actually so many friends here in Bangalore who messaged me, who met me. So I am really thankful for all of that, and I am really looking forward to explore more of this city as well. But all in all, this is really important. You need to keep the faith. You need to keep believing in yourself that whatever happens, it's all for your good, and every change prepares you for your best version. That's it. And last but not the least, when you want something badly, when you have an intent and when you want to achieve something, you'll have lots of things going on in your path so that you finally go there. That's it for this particular video. I hope you all are doing really good in life and you all are happy at the end of the day. That is what really matters. Try to be happy, try to accept yourself, love yourself for whatever you are, because that really matters at the end of the day. Bye, see you again, and stay happy. That's it. Bye.